name is Susan Cummings. I'm the CEO of Tiny Rebel Games, which is building the Petaverse Network. I've been in video games for about 25 years now. We're building Petaverse Network, which is a cross-chain open standard for building digital pets for the metaverse. So we're building games for those pets, but we're also enabling other people to build pets, pet experiences as well. Fabric is the lead investor in our seed round that we closed at the start of the year and have been a tremendous supporter for us, and I guess exactly what we needed as a game company. We needed a really active Web3 investor who could help us to sort of solve the difficult areas that we were diving into. I think specifically because of that, because we didn't really need a game fund. We knew how to make video games. What we really needed to do was dive into the complexity of how you bring pets between blockchains and between games and experiences, and how we could sort of go more deeply down that rabbit hole. I think our biggest challenge was really solidifying our blockchain strategy in terms of which blockchains we wanted to support and how, and smart contracts, and whether we needed to build our own smart contract or use a middleware company. And so, once upon a time, we were going to support one blockchain. Now we're supporting pretty much everybody that we can. We came up with a concept called cloning, which allows you to have a sort of shared source of truth for metadata. And we think that's all going to be really important for gaming. But I would say that was our biggest challenge, was coming to that conclusion over months. I think that they brought us tremendous credibility where it came to putting a round together. We have 26 investors in the seed round, and I think that they have a great reputation. And so I think that that's been really helpful to us, as being able to say that they're our lead investor. And beyond that, just super supportive and helpful, and there when we need them to be, and not there when we need to just get on with it. I think it's about the involvement that we get, and sort of the FaceTime that we get. When we signed our term sheet, we spent half day with literally everybody at Fabric, and that was really useful to us. And so I think that there are a lot of funds out there that say they want to be involved, but when push comes to shove, it's just money. So I would say probably that. For sure, we're raising our Series A round, so yes, I hope that Fabric will be participating in the Series A round. Again, I think that really goes back to sort of Web3 blockchain expertise and helping us to sort of think outside our comfort zone as a game company. I suppose, the opportunity to talk to some of the LPs who participated in Fabric, especially because we're raising the next round of funding, and there are a bunch of funds who've invested in Fabric. So I would say probably that, and it's just a good chance to spend time with everybody at Fabric who, thanks to the pandemic, we haven't spent much time with in person.